Well, I'm back at home. I've been away now for 8 days with work, which is really difficult being away from Gary and Frankie Jack. Just got back, yeah, and I can't believe I've called her Skelly, instead of Shelley, Skelly. Anyway, she's got to be glittered up today. Aren't you, pal? You're going to be glittered up today. Yeah, so I'm doing a few videos today while I'm home. And then I'm going to have a sleep this afternoon on the settee. But just gone to iron Frankie Jack's uniform. And this is why you never, ever put colours in with whites. I mean, everybody knows it. But yet there are still people that do it. And unfortunately, Gary is one of them. And even though we've been together over 20 years, he still doesn't learn because he thinks he's saving money by putting big loads of washes together instead of separating them. But actually, it's just proven today that it's just costing more money because I've had to go out and buy more polo shirts for Frankie Jack. So there are a couple with the badge on where Frankie Jack goes to school. And I'm going to show you that in a moment. But that is what Gary has done to Frankie Jack's uniform. Can you see that? Now, if I show you the one that I've washed, then you're hopefully going to be able to see the difference, because this is grubby, it's disgusting, it looks grey, it's got a tinge of red in there. And that is the one that I've washed. Look at the difference. Can you see the difference? Because the sun is shining in. Can you see the difference that's happened there? So that would make him look like a grubby little boy, whereas this looks like it's bright and shiny. There is absolutely nothing on this earth that I believe that could even bring that back to anything. And the shocker of it is, he's still trying to tell me he's had that in with all whites. Can you see, if the collar's stayed white, it's absolutely disgusting. Can you see the difference? Naming and shaming him, because he's just wasted money there. I've had to go out and buy, he's done it to 3 of them. I don't know what the rest of the washing's going to look like, and I'm hoping none of my stuff was in there. But at his age, he should know. Look, that's it. You're getting it there. That is disgusting. Never put your whites in with anything but white. And I know you won't do it, but unfortunately, Gary has, and has made an absolute mess. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Life of a TV mum, yeah, not great, I know, being away from home, but I do love my job. But unfortunately, when things like that happen, it gets me frustrated.